Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock apps in Windows 11 in a very simple way. You just simply go to any of browser and then search for osoft, click enter, and then you will get a website called osoft.net. So if you click on that, then you are redirected to the osoft official page, and now what you need to do is just simply come over into secret folder, and then you just need to click on download, and now close the ad. And then you will get this kind of interface over here, and then you will get an option called exe also download. So if you click on that, and then from here you just need to select secret folder. So if you click on download, and you can see the download is started and now it's completed. And now what you need to do, you just simply go to this folder, click on it 2 times, click yes for the permission, click OK to install. I accept the agreement, click next, and now after a short time the installation is completed. And now here you can see that they are requiring for a password, so give the new password you want to give. So give the email. If you want to recover the password, please click OK, and after that please wait a moment, and after that you can see your secret folder app is now opened. There will be show some of ads, don't worry, you just simply click on the ad, and from here you just need to select this PC, local drive, program files, and from here you just need to select any of your app. Like I'm going to choose local send app, click OK. Now the file is locked. So if I now go to this PC and now go for local send, search over here local send, you can see the app is showing like this. So if you click on open, it will never be open into your Windows, and it will shows like this item local send apps exe, that is shortcut refers to, has been changed or moved, so that shortcut will no longer work properly. Do you want to delete this shortcut? So this is how you can lock any of your app in Windows 11 or 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.